About to install some underglow for the Eclipse. I'm gonna clean all this off. Probably use some zip ties. I don't think the adhesive is gonna really stick. So all right, guys. So cigarette lighter plug button. It's gonna go into here. I'm gonna run the wire through there and connect the other end of this under the car. That's the way I'm doing it. You don't have to do it. This is just the way that I'm doing it. So guys, we got the other end. Trying to see if I can see the wire where it came through. Should be out there somewhere. If you guys can see, it's somewhere right there. I'm gonna grab it and connect it real fast. All right, guys, I was able to pull the wire. This wire right here, the connector, connected to this, and then install all that. The wire's long enough to reach. It's pretty long. Guys, when you're twisting this is like a little lock right here. You plug in the connector, then you twist this on to lock it in, hold it in place. Just to let you guys know, if you have something similar, or if you have something like what I'm doing, then you know how to do it. Gonna go back inside here under the foot pedals, and I'm gonna pull the wire through as much as I can. Feed it through. Come on, there it goes. Hell yeah. Now, this could go here now. And then turn on and off. I'm probably gonna put this wire behind this side piece right here for the center console. Just gotta pull some more wire through. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna feed. I gotta get this through that fucking hole. So, okay, I'm gonna pull this up more. Right now. Okay. I gotta go back down. Got the rear lights under the bumper, the rear bumper, zip tied. Trying to figure out the wiring. Your flashlight? Yeah. Where are you trying to run? Oh. Fucking bean finding holes.
I'm fucking pretty good at it. Pretty good at it, but I ain't no daddy. Sure about that. It's not even touching the exhaust.
Hell yeah. Bro, my fucking, I gotta get some new ones, bro. What wires? See no goddamn wire. Boy, zip ties come in handy, boy. Well, my car got a nice ass, boy. She thick. Yeah? Oh, it's gonna look good at nighttime, man.
You can't really see the fucking strip stuff. Like even right there, like you back up, literally lift.
Boy, she looking nice, boy. Shit looks so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go inside, man. Mosquitoes are out. It's starting to get late. I'm gonna go rest. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.